I race for Cali Boostin. I represent Powered by RPM. Racing has always been a lifestyle for me. It's not about just going out there and driving. It's more of the atmosphere. It's more the people behind it that I get to meet, the enthusiasm with everybody. It's more about spending time with friends out there at the track, and we do have a great time, and we keep it to the track, which is safe. It's a safer environment to really get to know the car and push it and find your limits of the car. I own a 2018 Subaru WRX STI. We track the car pretty often. Today we're here at Powered by RPM, racing Performance Motorsport, my #1 sponsor. We're gonna go over the car today. We're gonna get a Crawford AOS version 3 installed. We're gonna have some fun.
With Team Cali Boosting, we had been tracking the vehicle a lot, and we were out there racing and seeing what the parts would do and the combination of parts with each car that was on the track. And Curtis had gotten his 2018 at this time, and it was pretty new, all stock. And he was out there after 2 or 3 track days. We ran into an issue where we went off track. Got it back to the pit, we opened the hood, and it was very simple. The boost control line had blown off the boost controller. I was like, what the heck? And I put it back on, and when I noticed that there was oil, clearly we had some oil saturation issues. So when we got back, I called Crawford Performance and started talking to them more about their air oil separator. I was like, we need to try one of these out, we're having some oil problems. So they gave us an air oil separator tryout, we put it on Curtis's car, and wow, we've had no problems since. The manifold's been completely dry every time we take it apart. All the hoses have remained dry and clean, and because it is a non-maintenance system and it recirculates, there's never any maintenance on it. As long as all the hoses are tight, you got a clean engine. We here at RPM are proud certified Crawford Performance installers. You can check us out online and follow our adventures on Instagram at PoweredbyRPM or PoweredbyRPM.com.